Hello beautiful people, my name is Kristen. Welcome to my channel. I have this month's coffee and a classic, and I did just cut the top of the box. I have not peeked yet, although I have a little quick guess. When I went to the website to update something, there was something that said your box or in your box or something, and I clicked on it and it had a thing for Edgar Allan Poe. And so I thought, ooh, I think I just looked at what's next month, but I'm hoping that's what's in this box. Okay, so I'll try not to be disappointed if it's not, but I know in my college dorm, I had like an old time, I collect antique books or older looking books maybe. So I had an actual vintage copy of Shakespeare's works and Edgar Allan Poe's works, and it was blue and red, and it was like, you know, kind of those old school things, and I can't find them, y'all. I mean, maybe I was a silly college student and I gave them away, or I don't know. I have looked and I can't find them. So I would like to own that again. And it is, yay, Edgar Allan Poe's Classic Stories. So I'm pretty excited about that. And now I know how not to spoil a surprise for the future. But I'm not really sad that I looked this time. So there's what looks like a little ornament that says despair. That's kind of... Do you keep your Halloween ornaments on your tree, on your Christmas tree, or do you just hang them up? I'm thinking I have like a pumpkin cat that hangs on my front door for Halloween, so maybe I'll find a place like by the doorbell or something. Yep. It's just a glass Christmas ball. Oops, let me get his top fixed. So, he's cute. I don't know that I would put this on my Christmas tree, because that's not the message of hope at Christmas, but I do like it. All right. Oh, and it looks like there's a face mask. Very timely, very timely. Let me get the worms off. What do we got here? It says, the Mask of the Red Death. Ha! That's so clever. I love it. I got my bright lipstick on, so I won't put it up, but that's cute. Of course, I always, you know, enjoy those kind of things like book puns or whatever, but then I realize probably, you know, a good portion of the public doesn't have a clue what I mean or what I'm talking about. Of course, I miss half the puns of the younger generation. They come wearing all these graphic tees, and I'm like, I have no idea what your shirt means. All right, Midnight Dreary Dark House Coffee. So this is cute. Let me see if I can read the Alonzo's Double Dark Blend from Coffee by Designs, Portland, Maine. So it's just a dark blend, rich coffee. So winner, winner. My hubby will love that. A dark, heavy roast. Mm-hmm. Yes. Ooh, it's a nice coffee, y'all. Love it. Is it the telltale heart? And darkness and decay and the Red Death held illimitable dominion over all. Pretty. Pretty that way too. Oh, inside cover. Classic Stories. Yes. Gosh, that looks great. 3, 4. I'll have to read this again because it's probably been at least 20, probably 30 years since I read Edgar Allan Poe. So I'm excited. Yay. All right, so the coffee and the book and the mask and the ornament. There must be a bookmark somewhere. All right. Raven. Oh, it's this is textured. Like this is like those circuit cricket, whatever you call those things where they cut out designs out of the cardstock and layer it. It's like a layered cardboard. I love this. This is perfect. So, oh, I forgot I was going to bring Wally the bookworm from my other box subscription that I got because, hold on, let me get him so I can tell you the story. Okay, so this is my container of bookmarks that sits on the shelves next to my bed. And so here's Wally the worm bookmark that I got. And I thought maybe he'd be hard, you know, you'd be in a hurry to put him on a page and he wouldn't work. But no, he goes on the page really, really well. Really, really easy. You just open it up and do him like a little paper clip or whatever. And he's right on there, super easy peasy. But here's the deal. If you're the kind of person who has their book on your nightstand and you pick it up and you like to read before you go to bed, you know, get nice and tired or whatever and put it down, he would be awesome. If you're the kind of person that carries your book everywhere you go, keeps it in and out of your purse and your car, and if you have an extra 5 minutes at the, you know, doctor's office or waiting at the gym or whatever it is, in the car waiting to pick up somebody, you pull out your book and start reading, this is not the bookmark for you. Because it doesn't take anything, and he's just like, you know, you catch the little nose, and he's just like, you know, gone. And then I'm like, yeah, no idea what page I was on. That happened multiple times. So, Wally the bookmark, I think his name was Wally. He's gonna live just decorating my bookmark containers, and we'll use the flat ones. So this one is the kind of bookmark I can really appreciate. So thank you very much. Hope that you enjoyed this. Usually there's until the middle of the month to get this one, and then it switches to pre-ordering the next month, but I will leave the link to go check out all the details of that if you want to sign up. I don't have a discount, and I don't get a discount if you use it, but I really enjoy this book box and look forward to sharing it with you again next month. Y'all take care, like and subscribe.